Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Confirm your Xbox model supports USB audio and that the console is updated. This prevents driver issues. Next, connect the mic directly to a front USB port. If it won't fit, use a powered USB hub because the Xbox limits bus power. Once connected, go to Profile and System Settings Devices and Connections to detect the mic. If the mic needs firmware, make that update on a PC first. Otherwise, the console will usually recognize it automatically. Now set the mic as the input device in audio settings and select your preferred output so chat feeds to the right place. Adjust mic monitoring and volume to reduce clipping. Monitoring helps judge distance and gain. Use party chat and an in-game voice channel for live tests, speaking at normal level while watching meters. Make small gain changes and retest. If you hear delay, switch USB ports or try a different hub, because bus saturation can cause latency or dropouts. Finish by saving your audio profile and doing a live session with friends to confirm reliability. Real use often reveals subtle problems. If the mic mutes, drops, or has poor quality, restart the console and replug the mic into another USB port or use a powered hub to ensure stable power. Also try a different USB cable or mic adapter. One key troubleshooting tip. If recognition fails, test the mic on a PC to rule out hardware faults before adjusting Xbox settings or buy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.